Still stuck with 100 views or less in 2025? Growing your YouTube channel is easier than ever if you know the right strategy. Here's how you can grow fast if you're starting from the scratch. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here to help you grow, how to grow fast on YouTube in 2025 even without 0 subscribers. Here's how. Step number 1. Post YouTube Shorts. Short form content is king in 2025. YouTube Shorts are dominating the algorithm. Why? Because they reach non-subscriber fast, and one viral short can gain you hundreds or even thousands of subs overnight. Here's my tips. Post 3 to 5 shorts per week. Keep it under 60 seconds. Use a hook in the first 2 seconds and add text, captions, and trending sounds. Step number 2. Use high-impact titles and thumbnails. Your titles and thumbnails are your clickbait that make it ethical, think curiosity, emotions, or a bold promise. Examples of that are 10 psychological tricks you didn't know your brain was using, or I tried this for 30 days, here's what changed. Those are the examples of hook titles. Step 3. Focus only on one niche. The algorithm rewards clarity. Pick one niche, stick to it, and become the go-to channel for that topic. There are many niches ideas such as psychology facts, daily vlogs, fitness, tech reviews, and skincare routines. If you want to know more niche on YouTube, subscribe my YouTube channel so that you'll be updated on my upcoming video. Step number 4. Master watch time. Watch time is the secret sauce. If people click your video but leave after 10 seconds, YouTube stops recommending you. Tips to improve watch time. Go to the point fast. Use background music plus pacing. Pace a few at the end. Wait till you see number 5, just like that. These posting schedules 2 to 3 shorts per week, 1 long video that contains 3 to 8 minutes weekly scheduled posts at the same time every week. Step number 6. Use CTAs wisely. Ask viewers to engage, like, comment, subscribe, but in a way that feels natural. Examples of that is, so what step did you find interesting the most? Let me hear in the comment sections, and if you want more content like this, kindly comment down below and hit the subscribe button for the next video.